How to create TikTok videos in Captions. Captions TikTok tutorial. Now, to create TikTok videos in Captions, first of all, it does not matter whether you want to create a TikTok or a Reel or a YouTube short. Captions will just act as an editing application with extra features. So once you launch Captions, you can of course tap on the create button from the bottom to import a footage that you'd like to edit, or you can record directly using the app's native camera. You can open up one of your existing projects and make any sort of changes to this project if you wish. For example, you can add some fancy captions that might not also be available on TikTok, and you can add all of the other different type of features as well. And once you have your video finalized and ready, you can choose to add captions, style, auto trim, zoom, denoise, eye contact, and scale it as well. Then you can finally tap on the export button from the top right hand side, and once you've exported your video, of course you can then launch the TikTok application and choose to upload it by tapping the plus icon from the very bottom of the screen. And this way you can create TikTok videos in Captions app. I hope that this video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.